and welcome to Radhika Doodles. So जैसा कि आपको मेरा टाइटल देख के समझ में आ ही गया होगा that today we'll be making Panch Ras, which is 5 Indian summer coolers, and they are my favorite also. So without any further ado, let's get started. So हमारी आज की फर्स्ट रेसिपी है आम का पन्ना. So आम का पन्ना मोस्टली बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है नॉर्थ इंडिया में और ऑल्सो सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में. स्पेशली मेरे घर पे भी बचपन से हमारे घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया जाता है आम का पन्ना. एंड दिस रेसिपी इज ऑल्सो इंस्पायर्ड बाय माई मदर.
It's moving, I gotta tell you.
So and also they say that आम के पन्ने में बहुत ज़्यादा हीट रेजिस्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज भी होती है. So I think इस वेदर के लिए this can be the best option for you guys. So पहले हम इसकी इंग्रेडिएंट्स देख लेते हैं. So आम का पन्ना के लिए हमें चाहिए होगा कच्चा आम. इस आम को मैंने अच्छे से धोकर गैस के ऊपर भून लिया है. आप इसको बॉईल करके भी कर सकते हैं, बट भूनने से इसमें थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा फ्लेवर ऐड हो जाता है, थोड़ा स्मोकी फ्लेवर. सो भून लीप के रख दिया है. इसका हमने पल्प निकाल दिया है. इसके बाद हमें चाहिए होगा शुगर स्वाद अनुसार. मैं 2 स्पून शुगर लेती हूँ, मैं ज्यादा मीठा खाती हूँ, आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग दे सकते हैं.
Oh my God! Wow!
काला नमक एंड रोस्टेड जीरा पाउडर. 1 ग्लास पानी एंड सर्व करने के लिए आइस. सो अब हम हमारी पहली रेसिपी स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो सबसे पहले हम सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्सर में मिक्स करेंगे. मैंने पूरा मैंगो डाल दिया है. अब हम इसमें काला नमक और शुगर और हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे हाफ ग्लास पानी. करीब आप समझ लीजिए कि आपको 1 ग्लास आम पन्ना के लिए 1 आम लगेगा. So हम इसको मिक्स करेंगे फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 मिनट्स. सो हमारा आम पन्ना ऑलमोस्ट बन के रेडी है. सो अब हम इसको सर्व कर लेंगे. पहले हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे बर्फ. और हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे ऊपर से थोड़ा सा रोस्टेड जीरा पाउडर. ये है हमारी आज की फर्स्ट रेसिपी आम का पन्ना. So here is our next recipe, coffee lemonade. So basically this is a Portuguese recipe, but I have never been to Portugal, but I've had it in Goa.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
It is one of the most energetic and refreshing drink ever, and it has this little bit of tanginess which just adds to the flavor. So let's see the ingredients first. So हमको चाहिए कॉफी पाउडर. You can take instant coffee also. Some few slices of lemon just to garnish. Little bit of cinnamon powder. This is also optional, but if you add to it, I feel coffee and cinnamon just goes hand in hand. I've squeezed 2 lemon juice, and there is 2 spoons of honey and a little bit of ice just to serve it chilled. So now let's start. So first of all, we'll add this coffee into this hot water just to make it black coffee. So it is very simple and very quick at the same time. So it's almost ready. We'll just take a glass. Put some ice cubes. Add 2 spoons of honey. add this lemon juice. And we'll add this hot black coffee. Mess. And just to top it all, we just add this little bit of cinnamon powder just for this extra flavor. So here is our second summer drink ready, coffee lemonade. So here is our third recipe, Padakam. So for the last 2 to 3 years, I've been only staying in the southern part of India, and I have tried this recipe in Chennai few times, and I really quite liked it, and I find it to be absolutely apt for the summers. So before we start with the recipe, let's check the ingredients first. So we need some jaggery, we need some cardamom powder, we need some pepper powder, we need some chopped ginger, and we need some chopped coriander, and a little bit of ice to be served chilled. So first of all, we'll take a bowl of water. I've already taken, and we'll just add this jaggery into it. And you just have to stir it till it gets completely melted. So the jaggery has almost melted. Now you can just add the pepper powder. We'll add the elaichi powder. We'll add this chopped ginger and chopped dhania. And we'll give it a good stir. Trust me, this is a very, very refreshing drink.
नहीं
So now it's ready to serve. We'll just add some ice cubes. And we will just strain this mix. So the third drink, Padakam, is ready. This is our fourth recipe, coconut malai juice. So I'm sure आप सभी ने नारियल पानी को जरूर पिया होगा. But this नारियल पानी is very different, very tasty, and with a slight twist. So this is from my trip to Rajahmundry that I saw that people are very fond of this particular coconut malai juice there. So here is my quick take on that. So let's introduce you with the ingredients first. So this is tender coconuts, flesh or pulp, whatever you say. So I've already taken out the pulp. You have sugar. You have coconut water. You can take any coconut water, but I really like this raw coconut water, so I got this one. And you have ice cubes too. So let's start. So we just need to put this whole coconut pulp. Let's make a mix up. I would add 2 spoons of sugar, as I said. I really like it to be sweet. And we'll add this coconut juice. Basically nariyal pani. And yeah, that's it. So we'll quickly give it a quick stir for 2 minutes. Add water, or maybe more amount of coconut water as per your requirement. I like it to be really thick, so yeah. So let's serve it. Just add a few ice cubes. To strain. is our last recipe for the day, and it has to be sweet and something very special to my heart. So no points for guessing, it's Ruh Afza Sharbat. And I'm sure everyone had Ruh Afza since childhood, it must be very special to everyone's heart. And as the name states, Ruh Afza is, refreshment for the soul. So here is how I like my Ruh Afza. So yeah, so first of all, coming to the ingredients, you need milk, you need Ruh Afza, of course. You need sugar. Few people might not like sugar because Ruh Afza is anyway sweet, but you can just take it as per your requirement, as per how you like it. Some chopped almonds and chopped kaju and some ice. So let's start with it. So you just pour the milk in the jar. We'll add some Ruh Afza. So now, if you ask me how many spoons I like, so I like it till the time I don't see it really pink in color.
Yeah, baby.
So you can just taste it and see how much you like it. So I think 4 spoons is more than enough. And then you can add some sugar. You can skip sugar. Let's add 1 spoon. And we will just give it a good mix. So we quickly check. Yeah, it's ready to be served. So we just pour this mix. And you can just add some chopped nuts as per your choice. So yeah, our Ruh Afza Sharbat is ready. So yes, finally our Panch Ras is ready, and I'm sure you have enjoyed the video. If you did, please try out these recipes at home. These are very quick and easy and yet very tasty. And do let me know in the comments down below how you like it. And also like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And yes, I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and happy weekend.